Welcome back to Learn English Free, where we help you excel in your English language journey. Today, I'm excited to share with you an IELTS Writing Task essay that I've written to give you insights and tips on how to structure your own responses. Whether you're preparing for the IELTS or just looking to improve your writing skills, this video is for you. Some people think that the use of mobile phones should be banned in public places such as libraries, shops, and public transport. To what extent do you agree or disagree with this statement? The excessive use of mobile phones by everyone is not hidden, as these portable devices escort humans wherever they go. This causes multifarious issues which make people think to ban them in the public places, including libraries, shops, and public transport for the free movement of public. The overindulgence in this device makes people unforgettable about vicinity, which results in accidents further disrupting peace and privacy. However, these are essential for communication and convenience. To start with the need to ban mobile phones on public places, the people without mobiles get a chance to interact with others when they meet them, which develops healthy relations. Otherwise, mobile remains the only companion. There are many places open for the public, such as library, where silence is paramount, so that the readers can focus on reading the books of their interest, which encourages reading habits. These are noise-free places, and if someone enters with mobile and have loud conversations in shops or on public transport, can invade others' personal space and create discomfort. While traveling in public transport, the mobiles may pose safety risk, as these may be stolen, and banning them can reduce this crime to some extent. Apart from this, people can be distracted by their screens, may inadvertently cause accidents or inconvenience to others. However, banning mobiles is impractical, as the apps are integral to daily life, assisting with navigation, ticketing, or shopping, especially in places like public transport or stores. Banning mobile phones outright would deprive individuals of these conveniences. Besides, the mobiles are a way to connect with others without being physically present. For instance, most of the time, children stay outside for study as they need to attend class, tuition, etc., and their parents can call them and ask for their well-being. In the same way, the workers can inform their parents in case they are late from duty. In conclusion, although mobiles cause disturbance in the public places, yet banning mobiles at public places is such a policy which is impractical. There is need to have balanced approach, which requires the limited or no use of these devices in public places by creating silent zones, whereas these can be permitted in other places. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and resources on mastering English. Leave a comment below with any questions or topics you'd like me to cover next. Good luck with your IELTS preparation, and see you in the next video.